This is a 2016 Biesse Arkon 1430A Edgebander. It has approximately 3,110 hours on it, so it's relatively low hours. It does come with a transformer, so voltage is not an issue. Obviously, then you do have a carousel. You do have anti-adhesive spray, 2-motor pre-mill, a glue pot with a pre-milter. Obviously, this is your pressure section. 2-motor end trimming, followed by top and bottom fine trimming. You then have bottom and top scrapers, top and bottom glue scrapers. Behind here, it's a little bit hard to tell. You do have top and bottom buffers, and there's cleaning agent for those top and bottom buffers, followed by a hot air unit for edge rejuvenating. On the rear of the machine, obviously, you do have an outboard table support. Overall, a clean, lower hour Arkon 1440. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.